In this video, I'll show you how to create a black bar opening transition in CapCut. Start by importing your video into the timeline. Click on the clip you want to edit, then navigate to the top right toolbar and select Mask. Choose the Mirror Mask option. Drag the timeline playhead to the beginning of the clip. In the preview window, adjust the mask starting position by resizing the black bars using the handles. Make them larger or smaller depending on your desired effect. Once positioned, click the diamond-shaped keyframe icon on the right side to set your starting keyframe. Move the timeline playhead forward to where you want the transition to end. Adjust the mask handles again to widen or narrow the black bars. CapCut will automatically create a second keyframe when you release. To control the transition speed, drag the keyframes closer together for a faster effect or farther apart for a slower reveal. That's it. Thanks for watching.